Indlalifa lisalele bani Ntombazana nofana baya Indlalifa Zabarum zum zum Zabarum zaba zum zum zaba Dararum zum zum Cricket papa Indlalifa ngumfana nkasana isunu ngubani Zabarum zum zaba Zabarum dum 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 Indlalifa
2 weeks don't want visitors mina mana ngitshela umfundisi ukuthi angikho catshelela lo lamakwala engakabula
Mata boshiya ncube kade uhlala phansi unjani wayengahle uthuthi into zakho uhlubuzo uhlala lapha kayi1
ngena mbenyabuya sihlale sibili khona lapha manje sisoke sikwane phela nje kodwa kune visitor liyevela chichi zohlala khona
lapha nga
khonapha
hayi yamtshela umfundisi ukuthi angikho mina wayengahambe ehlala lamadoda
phela nami ngitshela ngathi angikho lamadoda khona yini imphethu zifele
kathi uyazela nga
lawe
uza kuya kumamoyo ke
umamoyo kakho phela
phela kuthiwa umntana kulokhu mana makuwa phoshiya sibona ukuthi umuntu lo mayebuya lapha uyahlala ngapi
manje usayenzani mama phela nabe sengitshela umfundisi kudala
hayi ngizamtshela mina ukuthi ngiqambela amanga
lawe
Yey Wenzani?
hayibo uyakhuluma phela ukuthi ngivukile ngusisi wakho phela mina
Uvukile kuba ungogo wami wena.
mfana omncane ngusisi wakho yazi ngusisi wakho manje
Wena opho uvuka usibane nomsindo ekseni kangaka.
ngizama ukuspice up izinto la ekhaya ukhanya ukuthi kuhlala abantu ngithola
You are not here for long. Uyezwa so akume nje into yakho le kupaparika le ugcwala yonke indawo. Ume
bana nendaba yimini indlalifa la guy yimina izibulo ngingqabuthe yezwa ungangihlupha ngizokuthela amanzi basopo boy basopo usisi wakho mina sis hamba
Bonisa abo A, abo B, abo C, abo D, abo E, F, G. Abo A, abo B, abo C, abo D, abo E, F, G.
Yes, everyone knows ukuthi yimi indlalifa la, but they are all acting confused.
Kanti boss nje ngoyidlalifa
Into ongaziyena leyo wena nyasaranda wena.
manje boss nje ungadlini faro kuqedi imadam Sisi le madam Ria njengoba kuyoma first born badlalifa njani
Zamba, I will take care of them. Yimi indlalifa. Uliya sehambile ekhaya, uzizi la sokumela yende lo. Masinya.
ngicela unginike yena phela boss nje ngimiyenze second wife yami yes3 kule Beyonce le Kardashian
Zamba, wakwahlanya yini wena? Na uthanda ukumana kangaka. Uzizi uthathwa lawyer. Yezwa. Problem uthi lawyer ngalisiphuku manje bafazini manje. Mama wena?
Yempane. Awuda ngaphusa njani? Mbani isipupu?
Ntsho njalo mina.
boss nje ukhulumile ukhulunyile uqeda ukukhulunywa lapho ukuthi baba iroyal lesabi madam Sisi
Do you think I'm scared of Uzizi? Ngachikazizini na hapa nangu.
Mr. Lawyer hi
Hi. Fine. I just
ubazifundisa ukuscreama wena
ambambaira chifarekaya kati manje madam richenga
usele lo mani ume khonala
manje okhunye okuyenza ukuthi uzoyehlira lapho ungahlire egedini rangini kwini.
Yikho ukuphapha khonoko. Sukuphapha. Uyakhohlwa ukuthi ngubani? Wena ungugarden boy la.
Awuyanuka. Uyanuka. Uyindawo nukunukelani? Imbuzi lenkomo ko.
You were gone for only 1 day. Ngoba usuhamba wanika uzayenzani?
La uyakwazi thi 1 day ifanana le 1 year lo malume. Inge ngususe. Umakhelwane kamalumeni we.
Mbali, iface yami yakhaya nje umuntu ofuna ukuzwa izitori zakho zekhaya. Umemva ukutshela inkeme eselisenzakala lapha.
Akuyisusa. Phela ngibone uMancube seposte kubo WhatsApp left right and center.
Mbali lo, afuna uqala uyegeza imbuzi le oyinukayo le.
I think le jacket lena. Ngilithethe komunye umfana eplazini yani.
Hawu, usukhombolo kuzena abafana benkomo.
Anti uthi awufuna ukuzwe zami. Akuntshele phela ngosisi wakho lo sefika ukuthi hlebo esitulweni sokundlalisa. Uyakwazi nje ukuthi udila labo bani. Uyakwazi, uyathutha lo.
Ngiyalapha mzala. Yabona wena subuyile yena mngani. Akasazi lo.
Akasazi mzala. Uzabona usathana uyapakitha kathesi.
Mbali, don't make this weird for us. Some people abakwazi ukuthi you were gone. Anti so asiwenze kube fast mzala anti. Singakwazi kube weird. So
Chifan. Oh, that's my cousin Bali. Oh, Ngoskaba Bam, I've been dying to meet you. Auntie Sanoskun bangitshela ngawe Kelly.
Hi, my new Zala.
Man, is that smell coming from you?
Obvious, anti vele ekhaya.
Oh, Ntombi ngiyayithanda uvele ngikhumulela yona manje into ngayithanda khumule ke.
Hayi, amzala. Uyabona wona sengifuna lokho ukunika konke lenhliziyo yami thatha.
wena Mbali wena. Wena unuzambona wena. Ngiyakutshela wena. Usikhoma khona usenza kulahlela phandle. John Iscariot.
Hayibo, bayani. Kubani lo?
Kodwa lawona ubali iBhayibheli wena. Mbani wathengisa uJesu?
It was Judas, damn
Kanti uJohn uvulisela wayevulisela negedini engayenzanga lutho.
Oka mzala. Mzala manzala.
Ubuya namadazi evile emakhaya nokuyintutsi. Ngiyithanda intutsi phela mina.
Akufanele mzala ekhaya.
Indlalifa. Indlalifa.
Mancube ayigubhi. Ufuna ukuthi bethole abantu khona endlini?
Kathi ngesikhathi nathi singakayigubhi kokona.
Itiye sizayinatha endlini yakho. Sukuphathambe Mancube isipoko leso singakakuyi bantu. Akumilani. Hello. Hi. Hayi bekhuluma ngesipoko sangale. Ebesitsho Lina.
Hello ladies.
Yebo, sisho Lina. If you are pissed off, singakwenye indawo.
I would love to believe you are Papa Benson. My name is Mama Benson. No, I mean mother. Lo nguPortia. Akahlali la ubesevele sehamba.
Papa Benson. Yeah, nginguPortia. Yeah, I was staying till we leave. Uyabona lapha ngokuyi reception nje kuphela. Ikhona indawo kusamele siye khona.
Okay, ladies, you were saying? Well, sitting. So it's just that I was setting up my phone so that it can adjust to this small house. But I think I'm done. Yeah.
Hayi bengibuza ukuthi alifuni coffee nyana.
Kumbe idrinki. Njoba ngani kuyachisa so.
I think tea will do just fine. Tea, yes, tea. Yeah. Yes. Right. Yes, tea.
As Mr. Lawyer, I just wish my father was here. I'm very lula for me.
Niniwo mbana wangu nezimo. Ndatombomubvunza mudara wako kuti kuvana besa vakambowana kupi. Wakangodzara nyika yese.
Andiyabona into zakhe engazifuni.
Hayi.
Yiko ngicina ngixabana lawa mana ngizibona ngizikhabela.
Hayiwa, ndikuzitambira mfana wangu. Bhala ipha kumfana. Baba wako akakusira inini. If you need anything, talk to me mfana. Yes, I'm here for you.
Maybe you don't understand, yes. It's about love, Mr. Lawyer. Uthando yazi.
No, mfana wangu. Izinto zangu mfana ze love is. Zangu is. Ndiyani nduzi.
Mr. Lawyer. Okuthando ngokwakho izinto zakho. Man. Ay, Mr. Lawyer. Karona ukho sindle.
But akona ungwarisa mani mfana wangu. Apa ndikutry wewe not inini. And ndikutry wewe. No mfana wangu nje love is.
Rest, my lawyer.
Ayiwa mfana wangu mala.
Yabona wena, you need my help. Don't worry, ndanza ukuncedisa yabo. Wena just relaxa, iseat uyehlise kancane, wena light ifeni nje yabona. Shangu moya Mr. Lawyer.
Bona Zambia bona ikasi la imese ngipresident wama 2K.
So wena boss nje wena ngami ngaba lipresident ngikhona mina. Khatha kumtshele i2K ngikuyini mina ngazi lokho kwabo AK47 labo
Man, ama 2K zisize zami. Yazi ngishaye uziza nje ngamthi 442 ngabe ntshontshe ipoem yakhe. Ngabe ngihamba ngisengena lenye 2K mfana. Igcwele ngami. Kuligcwele so Zamba so. Ngishilo akwazi ukukhuluma lethule.
ukuchitheka vele.
Mina yini. Mina ngetali. Yawenza lo wenye nje.
So kuthi ukuthi mina phela lipresident ama 4K.
Yabona mzala wami taxi bus.
Masamba jo, kodwa sibe manje.
Don't worry, we won't be too long. But kumele siqale sidlule kumama.
Kulungile.
Right. Yabona mzala wami. khona nxa sesifike bangani bami.
Yazi usiwophi isizulu?
Usiqine. Yazi besathi ujikele bonke osisuthu bonke Africans.
Vaqanye iprate he masambe mzati.
Khona lokho mzala. Yikho emfuna ukuthi
Masambe.
Wena mbalala order wena. Wasaphethe ungila. Wala order.
Indlalifa. Indlalifa.
Ubhena ngwami.
Ngicela ungikhangele. Yebo.
Anto ubuyalile ukuthi ebuye la.
Ukuthi bengakwazi phethe ukubuya emntonjani. Uyabona ngaba sendela ama pictures. Hayeyeya. Khona mngana ngavele sengiright kathesi ngasovela wabona umuntu nya.
Anto wanti iwala lakho yileli ukukhutisile into ezimnandi.
Hawu ma. Nikhuthana umuntu esekhona kona lapha. Tik la so. Angiyenzayo mina.
Ladies, sorry. I forgot my recorder on here.
Ma?
There it is.
I-recorder is in record for sound.
Yeah.
Esikhulumayo.
Yeah, I use it on this phone and then this other one is using. Ladies,
Yes.
tell me,
Anything.
Everything.
are you also in the choir?
Yeah, in fact the choir is me. Yebo. Ngaqalisa ukuhlabelana le 3 years.
True. That's quite a long time. Then
Yeah.
you are tired. You must take a rest. Yeah.
Mina ngale namhlanje nje.
Then that means we have got amateurs here. You are also an amateur, Bill.
No, me, I'm amateur. Me.
Okay.
Yaziz, I just saw her but I failed to talk to her. I don't know why, yes. What's going? Usasemncane kakhulu ukuthi ube semathandweni boy. Mncane kakhulu. Eish, sengizwile ngokulokhu busy ungilecture. You busy lecturing me. Sengizwile. I've heard that part. Kulungile. Uzokubhalela inkondlo hambe emobukeni. Zizi, you know that you're horrible at this. Chana lakho lokho. Fana mncane mina ngodokotela omkhulu othando, yazi yini? Okay, tuthala. So yena ngiqobuza angakhulumi la umuntu lona. So sengihamba umuntu papa senza chayipo emoyi. Kenze ngikho. Times. Akulungile boy hamba. Amatsha. Awukwazi. Ngiyoze ngizela ngapha. And then akushaya siyanda. Ma ufuna ubhalela someone inkondlo kodwa ongayisimi omunye umuntu ubhala kanjani?
Sho ukuthi uziqala uthi love. Yabo uzothi look at all this motion in this ocean of love we're surfing on. It just never dies. It dies by people.
Hayi. Amabala amaqatha lawo namtakabhanabhasi.
You know I hate that name. Andiza ngicela ukuthi ninganisebenzisi lelo gama.
Hayi ipoem sis uma makulindile ngali.
Kulungile aunties. Zokwenzela esinebele. Jonga man. Sibakhulu kakhulu lo mhlaba mncinci omkhulu.
Hello. There are 2 minutes. I know 1 minute. Hi. Unjani? No, my name is Sianda, but you can call me Squint. Everybody will call me Squint.
Okay.
You are new worker slowly because I've been trying to talk to you.
Yeah, I'm new.
Yeah.
And I'm also new to what you and your brother are doing. What's up?
My brother?
Yes, your brother. Isn't he your brother?
No.
And can you please talk to him? He's been reciting those weird poems for me. What are you guys trying to do?
I'm sorry.
Oh, can you please talk to him for me, okay? Okay.
Kutazamba show. Samba, tell me. Is it necessary for you to dance and be wearing my clothes? Hi man, just tell me what to do kuphela.
Hayi nasi izimpukupuku endaweni zetando sho. Wena It's necessary, Manu. It's necessary to dress like you, to walk like you, to talk like you, to breathe like you. Pefunyura needs to pefunyura njani mkumbu.
So nyenzi in and out.
Pefunyura, Manu. Pefunyura. Abonje kariki man.
Qedela isikhathi sambele. Ungobayela.
Maye usubhayisa manje. Usubhayisa. I'm the rough doctor here. Kutwa ijuva rivizwa kwavaphezulu katuti Jay-Z rakhonyisirwa ngubani Beyonce. Uyabona kwakuri J kuphela izwi rakhe kwakuri J. Sase sidiscussa sabona ukuthi mana sifake uZ. Sabona ukuthi hayi uZ uthi ukuthi Zamba. Hayi mana asikaqedi module asikafiki kokutweka kokukukisa ngikise sifona ngikise.
Hayi
wena mfana ungabiza umuntu oza ngumakoti wakho ngebizo wena.
Kanti boss Jija uzokupresident wama 1K.
Umfana uyahlanya lo muntu wakhona sola size yakhe.
Baya, can you please stay away from here? I'm warning you. Nyakuphuza.
Wena mfana wena wethu selubani wena uyangazi nje mina wena ngilipansula mina from Gaza to Topola mina wazo. Where's Sanwe?
We are told la. Ayaya. Alright. Kulungile. Sekuyabona. Kuyena lo bewubhalile amaphoyima ngithi. Hey, andiz.
Mama, ungasantshela ukuthi ngibuye endlini elisidinga ngizodobha ngizoklina.
Phansi wena.
Lithabela ndeni? Saliyangisa.
Anto benza ama introduction phela.
Okay. Umna wami lo umbali. Ukhazi wakhe lo Ziyanda. Yeah. Mr. Papa Benson. He's here for workshop.
Oh, Papa Benson. You can work and shop with me.
Shut up, when. Uzabe hlala lapha as in here in this house.
Yeah, uzabe hlala sibili khona lapha but ukulala uzabe lala ngalo komancu kule king size bed.
Well, it's been nice meeting you.
Oh, yes.
Hi, hello, my hello, my hello, my hello, my hello.